everyone, and welcome back to another episode. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy to be here with you today.
Hey everyone, I'm Paul. It's great to see all of you again. Emma, how are you doing today?
Hi, Paul. I'm doing pretty well, thanks. Although, I'm a little frustrated with myself today.
Oh no, what happened? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just, I started cleaning my closet this morning, and I only got halfway through before I got distracted.
Oh, I know that feeling. So your closet is half clean and half messy right now?
Exactly. And now I don't want to finish it. I started watching videos on my phone and completely forgot about the closet.
Oh, I know that feeling. So your closet is half clean and half messy right now?
Exactly. And now I don't want to finish it. I started watching videos on my phone and completely forgot about the closet.
That happens to everyone. I do the same thing all the time. Actually, I have 3 unfinished projects at home right now.
Really? 3? What are they?
Well, I started painting my bedroom 2 weeks ago. I painted 2 walls and then stopped.
So you have 2 painted walls and 2 unpainted walls.
Yep, it looks ridiculous. And I also started reading a book last month that I never finished, and I was learning to play guitar, but I haven't practiced in weeks.
Wow, you really do have a lot of unfinished things. You know what, Paul? This is actually perfect for our topic today.
Oh, really? What are we talking about today?
Today we're going to talk about why people never finish what they start.
Oh, that's perfect timing, because clearly both of us have this problem.
We really do, and I think a lot of people can relate to this. It's so common to start projects or goals and then not finish them.
Absolutely. I think everyone has experienced this at some point. So, Emma, why do you think people don't finish what they start?
That's a good question. I think there are a lot of reasons. One big reason is that we lose motivation.
What do you mean by that?
Well, at the beginning of a project, we're really excited and motivated. Everything feels new and interesting, but after a while, that excitement fades away.
Oh, I totally understand that. It's like the honeymoon phase ends?
Yes, exactly like that. At first, you're in love with the idea, but then reality sets in and it becomes hard work.
That's so true, like with my guitar lessons. At first, I was so excited to learn. I imagined myself playing amazing songs. But then I realized learning guitar is actually really difficult and takes a lot of time.
Right, and when something is harder than we expected, we often give up. We want instant results, but most things take time and effort.
That's a really good point. We live in a world of instant gratification. Everything is fast. Fast food, fast internet, fast everything. So when something takes a long time, we get impatient.
Exactly. We're not used to waiting. We want results now. But learning a skill or finishing a big project takes weeks or months or even years.
And that's when people quit. They don't see results fast enough, so they give up. What other reasons do you think there are, Emma?
Another big reason is distraction. We live in a very distracting world.
Oh, yes. Like when you were cleaning your closet and got distracted by videos on your phone?
Exactly. There are so many things competing for our attention. Phones, TV, social media, other people. It's hard to focus on one thing.
That's so true. I was painting my bedroom and I took a break to check my phone. Then I saw a message from a friend and we started texting. Before I knew it, an hour had passed.
That happens so easily. Our phones are the biggest distraction, I think. Every notification pulls us away from what we're doing.
Absolutely. And social media is designed to be addictive. It's hard to put your phone down once you start scrolling.
So true. What do you think is another reason people don't finish things?
I think fear plays a big role. Fear of failure, fear of not being good enough.
Oh, that's interesting. Can you explain more about that?
Sure. Sometimes people start something, but as they get deeper into it, they start to doubt themselves. They think, what if I can't do this? What if I fail? What if people judge me?
So they stop before they can fail?
Exactly. It's safer to quit than to finish and potentially fail. At least if you quit, you can tell yourself, I could have done it if I had finished.
Wow, that's really insightful, Paul. I never thought about it that way, but it makes a lot of sense. I wonder if I do that sometimes without realizing it.
I think we all do it sometimes. It's human nature. We don't want to feel bad about ourselves.
You know what else I think is a reason? Setting unrealistic goals.
Oh, yes. Tell me more about that.
Well, sometimes people set goals that are too big or too difficult. Like someone decides, I'm going to lose 50 pounds in 2 months. That's really hard to do.
And when they don't see that progress, they get discouraged and quit.
Exactly. They set themselves up for failure from the beginning because the goal was unrealistic.
I've done that before. One year, I decided I was going to read 50 books. That's almost one book per week.
Wow, that is a lot. Did you finish?
No way. I read maybe 10 books and then gave up. It was too ambitious.
See, it's better to set smaller, achievable goals, like reading 1 or 2 books per month.
You're absolutely right. Start small and build from there. What about you, Emma? Have you set unrealistic goals before?
Oh, definitely. Last year, I decided I was going to exercise every single day. Every single day.
Let me guess. That didn't last long?
Yeah, I lasted about 2 weeks. Then I got tired and I gave up. I should have started with maybe 3 times per week.
Yeah, that would be more sustainable. You know, I think another reason people don't finish is because they don't have a clear plan.
What do you mean?
Like, they have a goal, but they don't know the steps to get there. They don't have a roadmap.
Oh, I see. So they start, but they don't know how to continue?
Right. For example, someone wants to write a book, that's the goal, but they don't break it down into smaller steps.
Like writing 1 chapter at a time or even 1 page per day?
Exactly. Without a plan, the goal feels too big and overwhelming, so people give up.
That makes a lot of sense. Having a clear plan with small steps makes the goal feel more achievable.
Yes, it's like instead of thinking, I need to write a whole book, you think, today I need to write 1 page. That feels much more doable.
I love that. Break it down into tiny pieces. Speaking of which, I think perfectionism is another reason people don't finish.
Perfectionism. Oh, that's a big one. What do you mean by that?
Well, some people want everything to be perfect, and when it's not perfect, they get frustrated and quit.
Oh, I see. So they're so focused on making it perfect that they never actually finish.
Exactly. They spend too much time trying to make every little detail perfect, and perfect doesn't really exist, so they never finish.
That's so true. I have a friend like this. She's been writing a novel for 5 years because she keeps rewriting and editing each chapter.
5 years? Wow. That's perfectionism. She can't move forward because she's stuck trying to make everything perfect.
Yeah, and the problem is she may never finish because she'll never be satisfied.
Absolutely. Sometimes done is better than perfect. You have to know when to stop and move forward.
Absolutely. You can always improve things later, but you have to finish first. Emma, what about lack of accountability? Do you think that's a reason?
Oh, yes, accountability is huge. When you're doing something alone with no one checking on you, it's easier to quit.
Right, because there are no consequences if you don't finish. Nobody will know except you.
Exactly, but if you tell someone about your goal or if you have a partner doing it with you, you're more likely to finish.
Because you don't want to let them down?
Yes, and also because they can encourage you when you feel like quitting. They can remind you why you started.
That's a great point. Having support makes a big difference. I think that's why group fitness classes work well. Everyone is there together, supporting each other.
Absolutely. The social aspect keeps people motivated. You know, Paul, we've talked about a lot of reasons why people don't finish what they start. What about solutions? How can people actually finish what they start?
Great question. I think the first solution is to start with smaller, more realistic goals. Don't try to do too much at once.
Yes, baby steps. What else?
Make a clear plan with specific steps. Don't just have a vague goal. Know exactly what you need to do and when.
Good advice. I would also say eliminate distractions. Put your phone away, turn off notifications, create a focused environment.
That's hard to do, but it's so important. What about motivation? How do we stay motivated?
I think remembering your why is important. Why did you start this in the first place? What's your reason?
Oh, that's good. So if you're trying to lose weight, remember why. Maybe to be healthier or to feel more confident.
Exactly. And when you feel like quitting, remind yourself of that reason. It can reignite your motivation.
I love that. What about celebrating small wins? Do you think that helps?
Oh, yes, definitely. Instead of only celebrating when you complete.
Oh, yes, definitely. Instead of only celebrating when you completely finish, celebrate the small milestones along the way.
Like if you're reading a book, celebrate when you finish each chapter.
Yes, or if you're losing weight, celebrate every 5 pounds lost. Don't wait until you reach your final goal.
That keeps you motivated because you feel like you're making progress. What about getting an accountability partner?
Yes, that's a great solution. Find someone who will check on you and encourage you. Maybe someone who has a similar goal.
And you can both support each other. If one person feels like quitting, the other can provide encouragement.
Exactly. Teamwork. What about self-compassion? Do you think that's important?
What do you mean by self-compassion?
I mean, being kind to yourself when things are difficult, not beating yourself up if you have a bad day or if you make a mistake.
Oh, yes, that's so important. A lot of people are really hard on themselves. They have one bad day and then they quit entirely.
Right. But if you're kind to yourself, you can say, okay, I didn't do well today, but tomorrow is a new day. I can try again.
That's a much healthier mindset. One bad day doesn't mean you failed. It's just one day.
Exactly. Progress isn't always linear. You'll have good days and bad days, and that's okay.
Well said. You know, Emma, I'm feeling inspired now. Maybe I should finish painting my bedroom.
Yes, you should. And I should finish cleaning my closet.
We can do it. Maybe we should be accountability partners.
That's a great idea. Okay, it's a deal. I'll text you when I finish my closet, and you text me when you finish painting.
Perfect. See, everyone, this is accountability in action.
Exactly. Okay, Paul, let's give our viewers some final tips about finishing what they start.
Good idea. My first tip is understand why you have trouble finishing. Is it distraction, fear, perfectionism? Know your personal barriers.
Great tip. My tip is set realistic goals from the beginning. Don't try to do too much too fast. Small, achievable goals are better.
Next tip, create a clear plan with specific steps. Don't just have a vague goal. Know exactly what you need to do.
And remember to celebrate small wins along the way. Don't wait until the very end to feel proud of yourself.
Yes, and find an accountability partner or tell people about your goals. Social support makes a huge difference.
Absolutely. And be kind to yourself. One bad day doesn't mean you failed. Just keep going.
Remove distractions when you're working on your goal. Put your phone away, turn off notifications, create a focused environment.
And remember your why. When you feel like quitting, remind yourself why you started in the first place.
Great summary. You know, Emma, I think finishing things is really about building discipline and habits, not just motivation.
What do you mean?
Well, motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel motivated, some days you don't. But discipline and habits keep you going even when you don't feel like it.
Oh, that's really wise. So you can't rely on motivation alone.
Exactly. You need to build systems and habits that work even on days when you're not motivated.
That's such an important point. It's about consistency, not just excitement.
Right. Anyone can start something when they're excited, but finishing requires consistency over time, even when it's not exciting anymore.
I love that perspective. Okay, everyone, I think we've covered this topic really well today.
I agree. We talked about why people don't finish, distraction, fear, unrealistic goals, lack of planning, perfectionism, and lack of accountability.
And we talked about solutions, setting realistic goals, making clear plans, celebrating small wins, getting support, and being kind to yourself.
And remember, finishing what you start is a skill you can develop. It takes practice, but it gets easier over time.
Absolutely. Don't be discouraged if you've quit things in the past. That's normal. What matters is learning from it and trying again.
Well said.
And remember, not everything is worth finishing. Sometimes quitting is the right choice if something isn't serving you anymore.
Oh, that's a great point. Be strategic about what you commit to finishing. Choose things that are truly important to you.
Exactly. Don't waste energy on things that don't matter. Focus on what's really important.
Smiles. Perfect advice. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for joining us today to talk about finishing what you start.
Yes, thank you all for watching. I hope this conversation gave you some insights and motivation.
And remember, we're all in this together. Paul and I both struggle with this, and I'm sure many of you do too. That's okay.
It's part of being human. The important thing is to keep trying and keep learning.
Exactly. So go finish that project you started. Clean that closet, finish that book, complete that course.
And I'm going to finish painting my bedroom, I promise.
And I'm finishing my closet today. We'll keep each other accountable.
Deal. All right, everyone, we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep working on your goals.
Yes, and don't give up. You can do it. Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.